Hi people, welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita and today I'm making rice halwa using coconut sugar. So just one day during my pregnancy, on one of the days where you have that craving, I wanted to try something and make a dessert, and I was limited with ingredients. I couldn't go to shop and buy things. So yeah, that's when I found some rice at home and this coconut sugar from my store. So I just tried this and it came out so well. It really tasted yummy. Trust me when I say this. When you have minimal ingredients and when you try out something and it comes out super delicious, what more would you ask? So here I am sharing it with you. It makes for a great dessert for babies and children as well because of the coconut sugar addition. Recently I have posted the benefits of coconut sugar. Go check that and know for yourself what are the great benefits of this natural sweetener coconut sugar. And if at all you don't have it, you can make it with sugar, plain sugar as well. So let's dive right in and see how to make rice halwa using this coconut sugar. Let's begin. Now in a pan I'm adding ghee. Just a bit is enough. I added too much and then removed it actually. Now I'm adding cashew nuts, some chopped, followed by chopped almonds. You can add pistachio raisins as well at this point of time. Fry it and take it out in a bowl for further use. In the same pan now I'm adding cooked rice. Millets would also do good. I'm adding a little more ghee, just enough to fry this rice. This is the most important step, which gives a real nice flavor to the halwa. We'll fry it for about 5 minutes and now allow to cool a bit. Once cooled, we'll add it to a blender jar. If you feel the rice is too dry, you would need to add milk a bit. We'll have to make a smooth paste of this mixture. I had added a little milk and now you can see the texture like this. A smooth paste is required. Now in the same pan I'm transferring this rice paste. I'm adding coconut sugar. This is available on our shop. You can add this as this really gave a nice texture to this halwa. A caramelized nutty flavor was really suiting this halwa. You can even make it in normal sugar or normal jaggery. Doesn't matter much. So keep mixing it and cook it on medium flame continuously like this by stirring. You can see that the mixture becomes glazy, the paste becomes glazy and leaves oil on the sides. At that time it is almost done, and now we'll add cardamom powder, dry coconut. This is optional but again good for this recipe. I'm now adding fried cashew and almonds. And it's ready to be served. Our rice halwa with coconut sugar looks delicious. You can even put it on a plate and cut it like peda. This is again another dessert. I've been posting a lot of dessert recipe these days because that is something which I want to do at home and don't want to buy stuff from outside. So this halwa, you can even make it into pieces by spreading it on a tray and store it for a longer time. Not too long like other recipes, but this would stay good. So I hope you like this recipe. It is again another addition to the healthiest dessert we keep making on our channel. So I have few more recommendations for you to try. Oat sesame bar with jaggery, that is again a yummier version. You can even make it and store it for a long time. I have also shared this granola bar recipe. You can check that. savory and caramelized makhana. Caramelized makhana made with jaggery, especially if you try it with coconut sugar, it will come out really yummy. And baked yogurt with jaggery. So all of this I have made using jaggery. You can also try that. If you are somebody who wants to check out healthier version of sweeteners, on our store you can find palm jaggery, coconut sugar, organic jaggery, and also dry dates powder. So these are natural sweeteners which can be purchased from our shop, that is shop.totsandmoms.com. I'll leave below the link, check that. And yes, if you are somebody who's liking our video, who's liking our recipe and not yet subscribed, I would insist, please click that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay tuned with all the recipes we keep posting in. And I'll see you soon in yet another video. Take care. Bye-bye.